how to text on TikTok without phone number. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here, you can view all your chats on TikTok. Open any chat from here. Now, go to the text bar and send any text. You can also tap on any emoji at the bottom to share it in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily text on TikTok without phone number. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.